All-Clad makes some of the best stainless steel cookware in the world. Their tri-ply and 5-ply construction is legendary, but here's what professional Chinese chefs will tell you. Stainless steel is fundamentally the wrong material for a wok. So why does All-Clad charge premium prices for a product that goes against the core principles of wok cooking? And more importantly, what should you buy instead? This video breaks down exactly what All-Clad woks do well, where they fall short, and why the alternatives at a fraction of the price might actually produce better stir-fries. Whether you're chasing authentic Wok Hei or just want easy weeknight dinners, understanding these material differences will completely change how you think about wok cooking. Let's give credit where it's due. All-Clad's D3 and D5 stainless steel woks are beautifully constructed. The tri-ply bonded construction extends all the way to the rim, providing consistent heat distribution that eliminates hotspots. The 1810 stainless steel cooking surface is non-reactive, meaning acidic ingredients like tomatoes or vinegar won't affect the metal or alter flavors. These woks are oven-safe to 600 degrees, broiler compatible, and work on every cooktop, including induction. They're backed by All-Clad's limited lifetime warranty. The handles are sturdy, double-riveted, and stay cool during stovetop cooking. Cleanup is straightforward, since you can scrub stainless steel with any tool without damaging the surface. For Western cooking techniques like braising, steaming, or making pan sauces, an All-Clad wok performs admirably. The even heat distribution works well when you're not specifically trying to achieve traditional wok results. If versatility across multiple cooking styles matters more than authentic stir-fry performance, All-Clad delivers that flexibility. Here's the uncomfortable truth that All-Clad's marketing doesn't mention. The characteristics that make stainless steel excellent for saucepans and skillets make it poorly suited for traditional wok cooking. Wok technique depends on a steep temperature gradient from the bottom to the sides, rapid heat response, and a surface that becomes naturally non-stick over time. Stainless steel's even heat distribution, its main selling point, actually works against wok cooking. Traditional woks need a blazing hot center for searing, while cooler sides hold finished ingredients. All-Clad's multi-ply construction heats evenly everywhere, which sounds good but eliminates the temperature zones that define proper wok technique. The heavy construction also slows heat response. When you add cold ingredients to a carbon steel wok, it recovers temperature almost instantly. All-Clad's thick walls store more thermal mass, meaning the pan temperature drops further and recovers slower. For rapid stir-fry technique, where seconds matter, this sluggishness affects results. Food sticks to stainless steel. Unlike carbon steel, which develops a natural non-stick patina through seasoning, stainless steel remains sticky no matter how long you use it. You'll need more oil, and delicate proteins like eggs or fish will still require careful technique to prevent adhesion. Wok Hei, literally the breath of the wok, is that complex, smoky, slightly charred flavor that defines restaurant-quality Chinese food. It requires temperatures exceeding 700 degrees and happens in seconds when food contacts a screaming hot carbon steel surface. Professional wok burners generate up to 100,000 BTUs specifically to achieve this effect. Home stoves produce maybe 15 to 20,000 BTUs, already a massive handicap for wok cooking. Using stainless steel compounds the problem because the material simply doesn't respond the same way at high heat. Carbon steel's thin walls transfer heat instantly to food surfaces. Stainless steel's thick construction absorbs and distributes that heat, making Wok Hei nearly impossible to achieve. If you watch professional Chinese chefs in restaurant kitchens, you'll never see stainless steel woks, not in Sichuan, Canton, or any regional Chinese cuisine. The material choice isn't about tradition for tradition's sake. It's about carbon steel genuinely performs better for this specific cooking application. Carbon steel is the material professional chefs use and what your money should go toward instead of All-Clad. The Joyce Chen 40 14-inch flat-bottom wok has been the standard recommendation for Western home cooks for decades, and it costs a tiny fraction of All-Clad's price. The 1.5mm gauge carbon steel heats rapidly and responds instantly to temperature changes. The flat bottom works on any stovetop, including induction. After initial seasoning and a few cooking sessions, the surface develops a natural non-stick patina that only improves with use. This wok will outlast any non-stick coating and only gets better decades of use. Yes, carbon steel requires seasoning and maintenance. You can't throw it in the dishwasher or scrub it with steel wool, but the maintenance is minimal once the patina builds. Rinse with hot water, dry immediately, apply a thin layer of oil. 10 seconds of care produces dramatically better stir-fry results than any stainless steel wok at any price. For serious wok enthusiasts, Craft Wok and Made In offer heavier gauge carbon steel with hand-hammered construction. These cost more than budget options, but still less than All-Clad, while delivering genuine heirloom quality tools that professional chefs actually use. If you absolutely refuse to deal with carbon steel maintenance, the HexClad hybrid wok offers a genuine compromise. The tri-ply construction with a laser-etched hexagonal surface combines stainless steel durability with non-stick convenience. The raised stainless steel peaks provide searing capability, while the non-stick valleys prevent food from sticking. Unlike traditional non-stick woks that can't handle high heat, HexClad is rated to 900 degrees and allows metal utensil use. It works on induction, goes in the dishwasher, and comes with a lifetime warranty. For home cooks who want wok-style cooking without the seasoning commitment, it's a legitimate option. The honest trade-off. HexClad won't produce authentic Wok Hei like carbon steel. The non-stick coating, while durable, still can't match a well-seasoned carbon steel surface for flavor development. It's more expensive than carbon steel alternatives while delivering less authentic results. But it's more convenient, and convenience has real value for busy home cooks. Ironically, All-Clad's own non-stick wok options might be better choices than their stainless steel version for most home cooks. The HA1 Expert and NS Pro collections feature hard anodized aluminum construction with PTFE non-stick coatings that actually work for wok cooking. The aluminum base heats faster and more responsively than stainless steel. The non-stick surface solves the sticking problem that plagues stainless steel woks. These won't produce authentic Wok Hei either, but they'll handle everyday stir-fries without the frustration of food welding to the cooking surface. The limitation is heat tolerance. Non-stick coatings break down above 500 degrees, which means you can't push these woks to the temperatures that produce the best results. For quick weeknight stir-fries with lots of vegetables, they work fine. For serious wok technique, they're still not the answer. There's a narrow use case where All-Clad stainless steel woks genuinely make sense. If you want a wok-shaped pan primarily for Western cooking techniques, braising a whole chicken, steaming dumplings with acidic dipping sauces, making curries or pasta dishes that benefit from the curved sides and large capacity, the non-reactive stainless steel handles acidic ingredients that would damage carbon steel seasoning. The oven-safe construction allows dishes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven. The dishwasher-safe cleanup appeals to cooks who don't want to hand wash anything. If this describes your cooking style, an All-Clad wok might be worth considering. Just understand that you're buying a very nice curved stainless steel pan, not a tool for authentic wok cooking. Manage expectations accordingly, and the purchase makes more sense. The fundamental question isn't whether All-Clad makes quality products. They do. The question is whether paying premium prices for the wrong material makes sense when superior alternatives cost a fraction of the price. A Joyce Chen carbon steel wok will produce better stir-fries than an All-Clad stainless steel wok at roughly 1/10 the price. A Craft Wok or Made-In carbon steel option will match All-Clad's build quality while actually being the right tool for the job. The savings could buy a portable high BTU burner that would do more for your stir-fry quality than any pan upgrade. All-Clad's brand reputation leads people to assume their wok must be the best choice, but expertise in stainless steel cookware doesn't translate to expertise in wok design. Sometimes the best recommendation is admitting when a premium brand isn't the right answer. Here's the straightforward recommendation. For authentic wok cooking and the best stir-fry results, buy a carbon steel wok. The Joyce Chen Classic Series is perfect for beginners. Craft wok or made in for enthusiasts who want heirloom quality. Learn to season it, maintain it, and watch your stir-fries improve dramatically. For convenience without maintenance, the HexClad hybrid wok offers a genuine compromise between performance and ease of use. It won't match carbon steel for authentic results, but it's dishwasher safe and produces decent stir-fries without the learning curve. For wok-shaped cooking that isn't specifically Chinese stir-fry technique, All-Clad stainless steel works fine. Just understand what you're buying and why, rather than assuming the premium brand automatically means premium results for this specific application. What wok are you cooking with, and what's your experience been? Carbon steel converts? All-Clad defenders? Non-stick enthusiasts? Drop your take in the comments. If this breakdown helped you make a smarter purchase decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more kitchen gear reviews that cut through the marketing. Check the description for links to everything we mentioned. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.